after a long, eventful drive with a fussy little baby and a wild little 6-year-old. We finally made it here to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're gonna stop by the island and try to find some food and see what they got. Let's go! We're gonna try to find us some food.
I need a bottle of wine.
Some wine.
Maybe some moonshine.
Moonshine, we hungry. They got Old Smoky moonshine over here. Got the big Ferris wheel. We're heading up to Paula Family Kitchen. Good home cooked food. The way you order it here is you order for the table and everyone kind of shares. We're gonna get the chicken pot pie and the beef pot. They brought us some awesome biscuit things. They got like cheddar and onion and garlic. It's really good. After eating the delicious food at Paula Dean's kitchen, decided to hang out by the fountain and just enjoy the views. The island was a ton of fun. If you want to see more on that, I have a 360 video up. I'll leave the link in the description below. Then we headed on over to our camp, Bear Cove, which is now known as Jellystone Park, which has an RV park, cabins, and even glamping tents. I also have a 360 video and a drone video about Jellystone Park as well, if you want to check that out. So, step away from our nice little cabin, go exploring in the nearby woods, see what we might find. I'm worn out, I don't know how these boys have so much energy. Come on, big guy. Yeah. Come on. It's hard to see with your hand in my eyes, buddy. I'm gonna put my hiking boots on. Oh, thanks, man. Thumbs up if you ever have a hat here like this. Whew. What a sweet boy. Uh-oh. Come on, silly. Gosh, come on. Come on, Cale. Come on. You're silly. You're so sweet, dude. You get it. You've been a stinker. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How cool is that? It's right next to Dollywood here. Give me a hug, Cash. Yeah. Say hi. Give him a hug. Cash, come show. Give him a hug. Well, that wraps up our first day vlogging around Pigeon Forge. If you want to see some more Pigeon Forge videos, keep an eye out. We got more coming, and there's a few posted already. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more travel videos, please give us a subscribe. If you got anything you want to ask us or mention, leave us a comment below. We'll see you guys on the next trip.